see all these teams are generated and all these teams are very accurate teams and based on and completely based on Dream11 rules and regulations. Hi guys, how is it going? This is Believer01 back again with another video fully charged up, and in this video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams for the today's match between Mumbai Indians and Delhi Capitals by using our beautiful team generator software. So what we are going to do in this video is that first of all we will analyze the data that we have, and based on that data we will make some specific points, and using those points we will generate the Grand League teams using our software. So without having any further ado, let's analyze the data that we have. So the probable playing 11 for the today's match will be Rohit Sharma, Quinton de Kock, Ishan Kishan, Suryakumar Yadav, Hardik Pandya, Kieron Pollard, Krunal Pandya, Rahul Chahar, Adam Milne, Jasprit Bumrah and Trent Bolt from the Mumbai Indians side, and from the Delhi Capitals side, Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw, Steve Smith, Rishabh Pant, Marcus Stoinis, Lalit Yadav, Chris Wokes, R. Ashwin, Kagiso Rabada, Avesh Khan and Amit Misra will be the probable playing 11 from the Delhi Capitals side. So these are the probable playing 11 for the today's match, and let's analyze the top players from both the sides. So the top players from Mumbai Indians side will be Rohit Sharma, Quinton de Kock, Suryakumar Yadav, Jasprit Bumrah and Ishan Kishan. Especially Suryakumar Yadav is in good touch as well as Rohit Sharma. And from the Delhi Capitals side, Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw, Steve Smith, Rishabh Pant and Marcus Stoinis will be the top players. I believe Prithvi Shaw is in very great touch, Shikhar Dhawan as well, and I believe Steve Smith will definitely play on today's match for sure. I have a lot of confidence on him. So apart from this, on the point of view of our software, let's analyze the players that we can consider as a captain players for the today's match. From the Mumbai Indians side, Rohit Sharma, Quinton de Kock and Suryakumar Yadav will be the players that we can consider as a captain players, as well as from Delhi Capitals side, Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw, Steve Smith and Rishabh Pant can be considered as a captain potential players from Delhi Capitals side. So let's analyze the vice captain players as well. So the vice captain players from Mumbai Indians side can be Rohit Sharma, Quinton de Kock, Suryakumar Yadav, Jasprit Bumrah and Ishan Kishan, and from the Delhi Capitals side, Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw, Steve Smith, Rishabh Pant and Marcus Stoinis can be considered as a vice captain players. So let's analyze the pitch details as well. So the pitch will be a balanced pitch, that means it will support both batting as well as bowling as well, and the average score will be 160 runs. So the total average score will be, that means we can expect anything around 320 plus runs out of 40 overs. That means it is a balanced pitch. So by using all this data, let's point out some specific points which helps us to win the Grand Leagues. So the specific points for our software will be, so the credit range, the total team credit range will be 98.5 to 100. This is the ideal credit range for the today's match, as well as the team combinations. Here Mumbai Indians is strong as equal to Delhi Capitals, so we can consider 6 players from Mumbai Indians and 5 players from Delhi Capitals, as well as 5 players from Mumbai Indians and 6 players from Delhi Capitals for our fantasy team. So let's analyze some specific combinations that will help today. So the specific combinations will be 2 wicketkeeper, 4 batsmen, 2 all-rounder and 3 bowlers, as well as 1 wicketkeeper, 5 batsmen, 2 all-rounder, 3 bowler, as well as 2 wicketkeeper, 4 batsmen, 1 all-rounder and 4 bowlers. These are the data that we have and that I have gathered, and I hope you can add your prediction skills and you can add your own data as well. And this is how this is the data that I have gathered that I feel today will be like this. And so by using all this data, let's generate our Grand League teams in our beautiful team generator software. So let's jump into our software. So this is how our software look like, and those who don't know about the software, and this is a advanced team generator software. It uses multiple algorithms and techniques in order to generate the more accurate teams, which helps us to crack the Grand Leagues. And first of all, in this software it supports a wide variety of fantasy applications that include Dream11, MPL, My Team 11 and My 11 Circle, and a wide variety of applications as well. And first of all, those who are already using this software, let me give you a little a little introduction about how you can change the player credits. Sometimes player credits may change, so in that case you can change the credits. Those who have already bought our software, I'm showing the way. Those who don't know, so first of all you need to click on edit player data, and after that you need to choose the series. After that you need to choose the team, here Mumbai Indians, and after that click on continue, and you can see here the data is there. Here the thing you need to change here is the Hardik Pandya is changed into batting section in the Dream 11 match, so in the Dream 11 team, so we have to change him into batting role, and at the same time his credits have been decreased to 8.5, and at the same time Krunal Pandya credits increased to 8.5, and at the same time another change is there. I think these are the two changes from the Mumbai Indians side. After that click on update, and for the Delhi Capitals side also, let me quickly change the change. I have one change in Delhi Capitals as well. After that click on Delhi Capitals, continue, and we need to change the credits of Shikhar Dhawan, because his credits have been increased to 8.5. so I have 10.5, so I have to increase it to 10.5, and everything remains as same as usual. So after that click on update again. So what I have done so far is just to show already existing users to change how to update the credits if it is different from what is there in the Dream 11 or any other fantasy application. That's why I have just shown to them. And those who don't know about this software, who are new to this software, please follow this video from here onwards. So first of all click on cricket, and after that click on generate teams, and after that choose fantasy. You can choose any fantasy that you are playing. Here we are choosing Dream 11. After that choose series, which is IPL, and after that we need to, there are 3 sections here. The first 2 sections are for those who don't know about prediction skills, who don't know about much about cricket. Those can go with these 2 sections, but that means they just have to select the players that they are playing, and everything will be selected by the software. That means captain, vice captain, credits, team credits, and player strategy, all the combinations will be taken by the software. And this is the third section that I am talking about. This is the section that we are going to use. In this section we need to use our analytical skills, our prediction skills, as well as software will also help from its side in order to generate more accurate teams. So let's click on advanced team generation section, and after that we need to choose the teams in which the match is in between. Here the match is in between Mumbai Indians versus Delhi Capitals. After that continue, and we need to give the match number. You can give any match number, there is no problem at all, because whatever the teams you generate in this software, those teams will be stored within your device. So in order to store those teams, we need match number. You can give any match number. Let me give 130 as the match number, and after that click on continue. By the way, this software works completely fine on your mobile as well as on your laptop, and we need to select at least 6 players from each side. That means we can select any number of teams between 6 to 11 from each side. So I would like to select 11 from each side, as I have already shown in the slides as well. Let me quickly select the players that I have shown in the slides. Those are the probably playing 11s. These guys are the probably playing 11s, and so let me quickly select these players. Adam Milne, and another player is there, Rahul Chahar, and that's it. And from the Delhi Capitals side, Rishabh Pant, Ajinkya Rahane, Prithvi Shah, Steve Smith. I think Ajinkya Rahane is not there. Shikhar Dhawan, L. Yadav, and Chris Wokes, Marcus Stoinis, Avesh Khan, and Kagiso Rabada, Amit Mishra, and R. Ashwin. These are the players from the Delhi Capital side. After that click on continue, and we need to select the fixed players. You can leave this section as it is, because you don't have to select any player, but if you want to select, you can also select some of the players, because whatever the players you select in this section, those players will be there in every generated team. That means you need to be very, very sure about selecting the player. For example, Shikhar Dhawan is in very, very good touch and good form, so you can select him as a fixed player, as well as Rohit Sharma or Surya Kumar Yadav. You can select any player, and I feel these two are in good touch, and that's why I am fixing these 2 players. And after that click on continue, and after that select the players you want to consider for captain. So I would like to consider captain. I have already given you the data that you can be considered as a captain players. So let me quickly select the players that I can consider as a captain players. These are the players from my side that I'm predicting these players will be the captain potential players. You can change according to your prediction skills. As well as after that click on continue and vice captain as well. Let me quickly select them. So these are the vice captain potential players from my side, and from the Delhi Capital side as well. Let me quickly select the players. So after that click on continue, and we need to select the team partition strategy. I have already given you the team partition strategy in the slides as well. These two are the strategies, 5, 6 and 6, 5 from both the teams. After that click on continue, and we need to give the credit range. I have already given you the credit range as well, which is 98.5 to 100 is the ideal credit range for today's match. And after that continue, and I have already given you some of the strategies that you need to follow today. These are the strategies. These are the 3 strategies I feel they have the higher chance of winning the Grand Leagues. After that click on continue, and we need to give the number of teams you want to generate. You can give any number of teams between 1 to 3333, but you don't need that many teams whatsoever. You just need 11 teams to crack the Grand Leagues. That's why, because whatever the teams you generate, internally lot of combinations will be filtered out and gives you the and eventually gives you the 11 accurate teams. So let me quickly give you the 11 as the number of teams. So you can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are very accurate teams, and based on completely based on Dream 11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are very accurate and powerful teams. And those who love this video and those who want this software, I have provided you the contact details in the description box below as well as in the comment section below. You can contact me, and I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, that's no problem, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard.